Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not new. Today I'm going to be doing a top knot on this hair. This is a 5 or 6 day old braid out from my latest video. If you haven't checked that out, make sure you click the card up here and check the video out. I have a lot of frizz, a lot of volume, and it's actually pretty cute to me. But we're going to go ahead and try this top knot. I've never actually really done a top knot or a successful top knot bun, but I always see girls rock their top knot. They just be so cute. Like, they get their hair to sit there nice and perfect, nice and sleek, and just looks so pretty. So I'm gonna attempt to do that today. Of course, you're gonna need a brush. So I have my brush. This is actually a new brush. I've never used it. It's a Can-2 brush. So it's supposed to do a really good job at smoothing out thicker and coarser hair. So I got that. I also have my edge control, some gel, Style Factor gel, and a styler / moisturizing product, because I'm going to put that around the perimeter of my hair. So I've seen this technique on YouTube by Kimberly Sherrill, where she takes the middle of her hair, puts that up, and then works on the outer, gets down nice and slick, and then puts her ponytail up and takes the middle out. So I'm going to try that method right now, and yeah, so here we go. Hey y'all, so I'm sitting here editing this video, and I just want to note right here in the beginning, you see how optimistic I am about doing a top knot bun? I had no idea what I was signing myself up for. It's about to get interesting, but just keep on watching till the very end, because I'm pulled through, but I had no idea. Alright, so I'm gonna take this middle out, turn this down. I hope y'all can see. I keep playing with the light setting, but anyway, take the middle hair out. Okay, so take this and pull the hairs forward so that it doesn't feel scrunched at the base. She actually took a comb, but I don't feel like grabbing my comb right now, so I'm just gonna kind of pull it. Then I'm just gonna put my scrunchie over it, and I'm not gonna tie it tight, just want to get it on there to hold the hair in place. So back y'all up. Okay, I had to back up so y'all can really see, but here it is, my little ponytail. Now we're gonna work on this outside part. Take some moisturizer, just a little bit, because like I said, my hair does feel pretty moisturized already. Take the brush and just brush it up. And this brush isn't hard, it's soft bristles, so that's good, because when I go to get brushes from the beauty supply store, they be super hard. And I have a new brush now that I got from the beauty supply store months ago that I have just never used because the bristles are just too hard. So smooth it up. Alright, so that Cantu brush was a little too soft and it's not really giving me sleek. So I'm just going in with this brush that I already had, which is just a little bit more coarse to really pull this hair back. This was the moment I knew it was about to get difficult. I want it further higher up than this, so I'm gonna flip my head over, but I'm gonna apply a little bit more gel because it's not really slick enough for me. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. You calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. You calling me baby. Never say my name. Other day, I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? Say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Somebody tell me why I was trying to put all this daggone hair in this little old scrunchie. I had the nerve to try to tie it around twice. As you can see, that failed, which frustrated me. But y'all, this was a process. I kept going back and forth with applying product. I initially did not apply enough product to my hair at all, so it just wasn't laying down. And then I tried to use a scrunchie that was just not working. Here I'm trying to take that middle part out, which y'all, struggle. I was just over it. It's up. Finally, your girl struggled because I was trying to use a scrunchie, knowing better. I needed to have used my knee high, which is what I have in my hair now. Tied it as tight as I like it, and this is what my hair looks like. Now I'm going to try to do the top knot bun. So I'm going to take this scrunchie, wrap it around, and we just going to see what it does. We're just going to see what it does. Yeah, I haven't done this before, so I'm not even going to talk through it because I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm not going to tell y'all what you do, but y'all can watch, and we're going to see if this works. First of all, my hair is too high. I need to back y'all up so y'all can see. Okay, now I got y'all back. All right. So the idea for this, which I got from Kimberly Sherrill, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, was to wrap the scrunchie around about halfway and kind of take my ends and tuck them, right? Put the scrunchie on and then kind of just shape it into, you know, my desired shape. But as you will see, like a lot of things that happened during this process, that was a fail. So here I am taking it out, and y'all, it just, I had to start all over because the bun, as you saw, was just not looking right. So we're gonna try this again. Alright y'all, so I did a quick little outfit change and I went on ahead and did my little edges and everything, and I just have my scarves on here. It's been sitting for about 15 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and then we'll fix up this bun part. Okay, honey. Kind of slick down. So that front was very slick down, y'all, as you can see, but that back, honey, that back needed some help, and that is noted for the next time. I'm gonna try to fix it and I'll show y'all, but needed some help. All right, she's not looking that bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and raise y'all up so y'all can see me work on the bun, like the actual top knot. Let's see. Okay, this is perfect. So I had already like tried to secure the bun before I put the scarves on, but as you can see, this kind of came undone. So I'm gonna just take it. I don't really know how to wrap this, but I'm gonna just do something. Take it down, and I'm just securing it with bobby pins. All right, y'all, this is the best I can do. It actually doesn't look that bad. It's kind of cute or whatever. I tried to like smooth this out because it's like a hump. But I think I'm gonna just put my scarf on it again, let it kind of set a little bit more, and try to push this down. Thank you so much for sticking with me this long. Your girl has been struggling, but we putting it together. So I'll be right back after I do that. Okay, so scarves nice and secured. You guys are really high up, but it's okay, y'all can see the bun. But yeah, I think it's kind of cute. Comment right now, what do you think of this bun so far? Give it a thumbs up if you liking the bun, give it a thumbs down if you're not liking the bun in the comment section. So these are my results, you guys. This is my top knot bun. It's looking all right. It's way better than what I would normally do. Okay, so I feel like this is a success. This is going down in my book as a success, period. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments down below. Comment down below what other styles you guys want to see, or products you guys want me to try out on my hair. Leave me comments of that down below as well. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's below this video, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's not too far from that like button that you should hit if you enjoyed this video, okay? And also hit that bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, make sure you're following your girl on Instagram, because a lot of stuff happens over on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram as well. And that is all I have for you guys in this video, so I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.